I recently put up how to chainsaw your sled for a cooling off technique. Has been a super popular video. The thing that's weird is how much shade and hate guys are posting on it's a stupid trick, it doesn't work, use your flap, use your eye scratchers, never had to deal with it, blah blah blah. So today I'm going to give you an exact perfect example. Now I admit I'm on my 18th stock 850 Skidoo. No snow flap. I don't run snow flaps because out deep snow, when you get snuck, they're kind of just getting in the way. I broke the scratchers off, so I don't have scratchers, but today it doesn't matter because the trails I'm riding, I can't get up any speed. We are punching in where it is low snow. As you can see, I am in some soft top layer, but if you can see it, I push in 138 degrees. I'm just coming up from the bottom of the canyon, so I've gone maybe less than a mile and I'm at 138 and climbing. Again, even with the flap and scratchers, I can't build up enough speed in this terrain to get it up under the tunnel anyway. So I'm gonna let this thing climb to 150, 160, and we're gonna do a chainsaw method, and this is exactly where, when, and why we use it. We're gonna cool this thing down right now in less than 60 seconds. We just hit 158, if you can see that. So the chainsaw technique. All right, let's count it down. We're at 143. 141, 140, 138, 136, 134. Again, we started at 158, 132. So we dropped 25 degrees just off that 5-second chainsaw technique. Now I can get on the trail. Here we are again. I haven't even gone a mile. I am just not kicking up enough snow. So we got to cool down again. I am at 163. So, chainsaw method again. We'll count it down again. We started at 163, 143, 141, 140, 138. Started at 160, 136. From 136 to 160, 24-degree drop. So again, just not being able to get speed to kick it up into there. Now flap and scratchers would help. Again, I don't run a flap, I don't like the attachment flap that you got to take off and carry around with you all day. Scratchers I do run, but I keep breaking the Skidoo scratchers. I've broken 6 out of 8 pair. And for anyone who doesn't need it, it's because you don't ride in terrain like this. Some of us do. Some of us push the envelope, chase the boundaries, challenge ourselves.